That's the cause that's the cause of the traffic. Oh my god, that hurts.
Yeah.
Oh my god, why this is good afternoon, friends, YouTubers. Still having a jet lag. Yeah, it's almost 3 days now when we arrived here from Boracay. You know, my Boracay trip is not that great because of my flu, my cough. I have a slight fever, so it's not that good. So, anyways, I need to drink water because cold water is bad for your cough. Okay. Tomorrow I will go to work. Today is Monday. I just want to relax. I just want to rest so that tomorrow it's all good. Yeah, about my Boracay trip, it's not that bad. Me and my wife have fun in Boracay. We go to beach early in the morning at around 6 o'clock in the morning because it's nice. The beach is very nice. It's so nice. My cough is very bad. My dad wants me to take antibiotics. So no, I'm not a fan of antibiotics. If it's getting worse, my cough, so I have to do it. But anyways, guys, I have a hack regarding a cough. I will put first right. Forward. Okay, I have a hack about if you have a cough. It's a dry cough. It's like your throat is very itchy. Instead of taking antibiotics or whatever medicines you have there, what I do is I got a small water, boiled it, and then put salt and you mix it, and then you gargle. I done that yesterday morning and in the evening, and today morning. My cough is not that bad anymore. So I have still little cough, but not that bad. So yeah, it works. Yeah, about our trip to Boracay, we have one day in the Carmela Hotel because that hotel is not that cheap. So at least we tried one day there, and then we transferred to it's a regular hotel room, but much cheaper than the first we checked in La Carmela. So we stayed there for 3 days, and yeah, it's nice. And during night we go out and we just strolling around because they say that the nightlife in Boracay is so amazing. We almost canceled our flight going to Boracay eventually, but no, it will not stop our mission there. It will not stop our mission to go to Boracay. So yeah. Oh my god, we don't have gasoline. My god, so traffic. Oh my god. I hope I can still make it to the gasoline station because it's below empty. There's no more reserve gasoline, I think. And it's my first day of work since we have vacation in Boracay. So hopefully I can make it to the gasoline station, and yeah, so fingers crossed. I think I'll make it to a gasoline station. There's a gasoline station over there, so because I really need the gas. Look at that, below empty. My god. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Petron. Thank you. Oh yeah. I'm in the gasoline station, and I will gonna hook up some gasoline. Hey, where's everybody? Hello? Oh my god. Okay, at least I'm here in the gasoline station and it's all good, okay? Cut the background. Pump up that gas, boy. By the way, I didn't post anything online about I can fix a laptop, I can fix a desktop, reformat a computer, a laptop, upgrade, and yeah, I didn't post it online, but our neighbor just left a laptop there if I can fix it, and there's a note. So where the hell he knows that I can fix it? I mean, I have to check it first, yeah, because I didn't know that. I didn't know the model, what's the problem. Just a note. Yeah, it's already 10:15 a.m. I'm still here in intersection going to SM and Mango Avenue. So I have to go to Mandaue. I didn't expect the traffic right now here in Country Mall going to Talamba. There's no accident whatsoever, just traffic, volume of cars passing by, and it's 10:30 in the morning. I don't know what the hell causing the traffic right now. And anyway, I just passed Country Mall now. I'm near in what do you call this place? BTC, Manila Town Center. And now I really miss the Boracay. Oh my god. We'll be back, okay? For sure. We will be back with the kids, because the kids, they are just my life, okay? And we will save money for that trip, okay? And we will do that on maybe this Christmas or next year summer vacation. So yeah, hopefully. Okay, I'm almost near in my workplace. By the way, guys, we offer we host a website also. We have templates, and yeah, I will put that on my description below, the link where you can check our templates for building a website. For the pricing, just message, just private, just PM us, okay, or PM me. Maybe we can deploy our website templates within this week. So hopefully, guys. Oh, that's it. So bumpy. Okay, just arrived here in the office. Oh, I'm now preparing my things now. And the laptop, the charger, the tripod. What the hell? Why I bring a tripod inside the office? So yeah, I'm going now. Bye.